Hey gang, I want to give you a real world review today on the mold and stain remover by Active. Now, I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I was a skeptic that this was going to work. We have a mold problem in one of our showers. Doesn't ever seem to go away. Like, it didn't matter the spray we used or how often we scrubbed it. We've had this constant mold issue in our shower. I think it had something to do with the grout, but we grabbed this just hoping that it would make a difference. And I cannot believe how big of a difference this was after one application. All I did, simply follow the instructions, coated it like I said I should, let it sit. It said 3 to 5 hours. We had bad problems, so I let it sit 5 hours and take a damp sponge to it, scrubbed it off. Holy cow, before and after, world of difference. Could not believe it. Now, I didn't get 100% of everything. I did have to do a second application, but after the second application, and it took care of everything. I was so shocked by this product. Absolutely love it. Listen, if you've got mold anywhere in your house that you have trouble getting rid of, get this. Whether it's the seal around your high efficiency washer or like us, the grout in your shower that just will never seem to get clean. Man, I think this stuff will do the trick and you will be so happy you bought this. 5 out of 5 stars. Get you multiple bottles of this.